Now we will install our plugin one-page quick checkout for WooCommerce in this website. So let's go to dashboard, and from here you need to click add plugin, and at the search bar type one page quick checkout for WooCommerce. From search result, you will get our plugin one page quick checkout for WooCommerce. Let's install it from here. We can also search for one page quick checkout for WooCommerce. You will get your plugin here, and from here you can download the free version. You can also visit our site plugincy.com, and at plugin you will get our plugin quick checkout for WooCommerce. You can download from here both free and premium version. Now we will activate our plugin from the search result. So finally our plugin has been activated, and at the left sidebar you will get a new option, one page checkout. Click here, and this all our features: direct checkout, one page checkout, floating cart, quick view features, add to cart, checkout from, text to manage, and many more.